Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. This is Sadhna once again for social science. In this video, we'll be knowing about the other regions which are falling in the coastal plains of India. So, our next region is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli is Silvassa. Dadra and Nagar Haveli is also a union territory of India, and it is situated on the Konkan coast of the western coastal plains. Here also, agriculture is the chief occupation of the people. Rice, wheat and sugarcane are the main crops which are grown here. Gujarati, Marathi and Hindi are the main languages spoken in Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Some of the parts of Maharashtra is situated on the Konkan coast of the western coastal plains. We have already studied about this state in the Peninsular Plateaus. The fertile coastal plains are suitable for farming. Thus, agriculture is the main occupation here. The famous Alfonso mangoes are produced around Ratnagiri. Apart from agriculture, fishing is another important occupation of people in the coastal areas of this state. Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India situated on the Konkan coast of the western coastal plains, and the capital of Goa is Panji. Mandovi and Juari. These are the main rivers that flow through the state. The main occupation of people in the state is agriculture. They grow rice, ragi, coconuts, cashew nuts, and mangoes. This state is rich in iron ore. A large number of people are also engaged in the tourism industry. The beaches of Goa are the major tourist attractions. The annual Carnival Festival of Goa is also very popular all over the world. Apart from this, the other tourist spots are Fort Aguada, St. Xavier's Church, Mahalakshmi Temple, etc. People commonly speak Marathi, Konkani and Portuguese, and Christmas is the main festival celebrated in Goa. Next region is Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. This state is also located in the southern part of the Konkan coast. About this state also we have already studied in the previous chapter, the Peninsular Plateaus. Mangalore is an important seaport along this coast. Mangalore is an important seaport along the coast. The people living in the coastal areas grow spices and coconuts. Here also, fishing is the another important occupation in the coastal areas of Karnataka.